Hi everyone, my name is Nihal Kuthe. I am data science intern at the Spark Foundation. This is my first task, prediction using a supervised machine learning. In this regression task, we will predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based upon the number of hours they study. This is a simple linear regression task as it involves just two variables. So first we import some libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Then we read the dataset. So here I using this link. So here see our two variables, hours and scores. Then we check the information. So in this hours and score there is no null value. So hour is our floating data type and score is our integer data type. After that we describe the data. We see count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile and maximum. Then we plotting the data distribution. Here I use a scatter plot. So in this plot we clearly see that there is a positive linear relationship between the number of hours studies and percentage of scores. The next step is to divide the data into attribute and labels. So here we see X is our input and Y is our output. In X we put the hours and in Y we put the scores. And now we split the data set into two parts, training and test data set using scikit-learn. Now we apply the algorithm. Here I use a linear regression. We fit the linear regression in training data set. After completing training, we plot the regression line. So here we see this is a regression line. There is a very minimum distance in our actual point and predicted point. Now that we have trained our algorithm, it's time to make some prediction. So now we compare actual and our predicted points. So here we see our actual score is 20 and our predicted score is a 60.88, and here is 27 and our predicted point is 33. Now we test with our own data. So here we put 9.25 hours. The predicted score is our 93.69. Means if student studies for 9.25 hours per day, so its score prediction is 93.69. Now we evaluating the model. The final step is to evaluate the performance of algorithm. This step is particularly important to compare how well different algorithm performs on a particular data set. For simplicity, here we have chosen the mean square error. There are many such metrics. So here we see mean absolute error is our 4.18. So thank you everyone.